Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You've updated WhatsApp and opened the chat. Now tap the emoji icon to begin. Once done, switch to the sticker tab. It's beside GIF, so you see sticker categories and recent packs. Make sure to grant storage permissions if prompted, because WhatsApp caches sticker packs. Then preview your installed packs and recent stickers. This first view lets you decide whether to use built-in emoji-based stickers or add new packs from the store icon. You can tap a pack thumbnail to open it and then choose a sticker. Short taps send immediately, while long press shows save or favorite options. Alternatively, press the plus in the sticker tab to browse and add new packs. Add gives instant access. If you want a custom emoji sticker, use a Sticker Maker app. Export a transparent PNG with emoji design, import to the maker, then add to WhatsApp. This approach gives unique emoji-styled stickers. Tap any sticker to send instantly. If you long press, you can favorite it for quick access or remove it from recent. Once done, go to sticker settings to reorder or delete packs so your most used emoji stickers stay at the top. If a sticker fails to send, make sure WhatsApp is updated, storage permissions are allowed, and clear cache if necessary. Sometimes reinstalling the added sticker pack or restarting the app resolves sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.